Hello again. Thought I'd just show you this LED mod I've done on the Icom IC211E. As you can see, there's still a bit of a bright spot in the middle, but it's not too bad. On the video it does show it a bit more yellower than it actually is, but the back plate of the meter just does give a yellowy cast still, even though the LEDs are white. But it seems to have done the job. Of course, the original bulbs that were in there were the grain of wheat type, I think they call them. So I just went for the LED replacement. So I'll just show you what it looks like from the inside. Don't know whether you can see that. What I had to do was cut the rubber grommet from the back, so I could get the LED in, and the LED has been sanded on the end to diffuse the light. So I believe you can get diffused LEDs now. So, but these were some I already had, and they'd already got the resistor built in to the cables. So it was just a case of removing the old bulbs that were in place, and just soldering onto the back of the board there where they came from. So pretty straightforward. But like I say, you have to snip some of the rubber grommet on the back to get the LEDs in, but it seems to do the job. So yeah, if you'd like any more information on how I did that, just drop me a line, and hopefully I can help. But yeah, pretty basic really, and it seems to do the job. So there you go. Like I say, there's still a yellow cast because of the back plate, so you're not going to get a white bright light anyway. Still a bit of a hot spot in the middle. Whether the diffused LEDs will now be a lot better, but that was it. Pretty straightforward anyway. Does the job. Should last for a long time. So yeah, some more bits and bobs in the future. So please subscribe, like. I believe also the other button works as well. And we'll see you soon.